Hey, it's Jessica from Jessica's Jeweled Art. I want to say thank you for joining. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you are new to the channel, welcome in. I have a quick unboxing that I wanted to do with you guys today. I just came back from a sorority event and I had some mail. And even though it's a Sunday, I had some deliveries. Now, these are from Temu. And so let's get into it, shall we? I'm going to start off with the biggest one. And here we go. It is doesn't say. Oh, it's a 40 by 40. And let's look at it. And look at this. It has three beautiful black ladies on it with the continent of Africa. So they are looking at the motherland with all the beautiful African colors in their dresses. Now, it is Women's History Month, so let's celebrate the women, shall we? And let's see how many colors. It has 22 colors in it. Let me get it up close so y'all can see the legend, and also so you can see the drill marks. And it starts off with numbers, goes to 8, and then it starts with the alphabet, and it goes in chronological order, or alphabetic order, I should say, all the way down to U when you get to color number 22. And it looks like it does have what I like to call the gravy train, and it has quite a few bags in here. I'm not going to open it up, but I am going to allow you to be able to see, and it has the little mini bags, so I will be hitting this up definitely. And it looks like one leaked, so there's that some, it looks like number 444 is going all over the place. But I will take care of that when I start working on it. Now, let's get to number two. Number two is a 40 by 30, and it is two beautiful parrots. Look at them, and oh, look at all these colors. I'm loving that. And let's see how many, it has 18 colors, very colorful. Oh, and it has that true red of 666. Yes, it does. And let me get up close so you can see the drill marks and the legend. Hold on a second. Wrong way, Jessica. Oh, shoot, I'm not doing this right. Forgot the page. The legend. Not now, Steve. Okay. Oh, shoot. I'm trying to get this so y'all can see it. Okay, there we go. The legend. There you go. Right there. Oh, thank you. My husband sold one of my paintings today, and I got a little bit of cash. Uh, so I'm always happy about that. And then here is the gravy train. Now these are bigger bags, and it doesn't look like they've spilled anywhere. And but they are just as colorful. Look at them, aren't they great? Yes, they are. Now, I think it'll be really fun to do those parrots because they're so colorful. And parrots are such beautiful birds. Anyway, I love to see them, when you go to like Busch Gardens or something like that. That will be fun. Now, let's get into the third one. The third one looks pretty colorful too. It is it's a 30 by 30. And this is a beautiful phoenix. Look at that. A beautiful phoenix. And this one also has 18 colors. And it is so colorful. That's going to be fun because doing something colorful is so much fun. And then look at all the beautiful colors that you can see. Look at all the beautiful colors. Look there. Oh, this is going to be really nice. And they are in, let me check it. Now, this one has no order whatsoever. None. Because it starts off with one is B, and then two is K, uh, and A is number 8. Oh, yeah. They just went willy nilly on this one. But it is a beautiful painting. Nonetheless, it'll be fun to do, but it's not in any type of numeric or alphabetic order, and they use all alphabets. And they're just going all over the globe with that one. But, to each his own. And here is our last one. I just wanted this to be a quick video for you. This is also a 30-30, but this is the Tree of Life. The Tree of Life. Isn't it pretty? Let me get it in close so you can see the drill marks and the legend. And it has 19 colors. And this one also does not have any type of order or sequence in on the table, the legend. It starts off with R, A is number 2, and then F is 19. Yeah, but here are the colors. Here are the stones, the limestones, the drills that we're working with. Beautiful colors. This will be it'll be fun to do. It's just not in any type of numeric order. But you know what? That's fine because I go in a sequence anyway, and so it won't really matter. Well, those are the 4 unboxings that I have for you today. It was a really quick thing. I wanted to just come to you with those. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed bringing it to you. Have a great rest of your day wherever you may be viewing this from. I have enjoyed seeing you today. If you have watched the video all the way through, please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll be sure to know whenever I'm coming on, and also hit that thumbs up if you liked me, because I certainly will like you back. Uh, Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.